What's up guys, it's me David, and today I'll make another vlog. But right now this is just a different day. Don't worry about this. The videos I'm going to see next are videos from like 3 weeks ago. I just wanted to post these videos so bad because of how I thought they were really interesting. Just look at them guys. Peace. Alright guys, so right now we're going to go to the trail with my stepbrother. We just woke up and we're about to go to the trail. And it's raining right now. It's raining outside, as you can see. So we have to be extra careful. Right now we're just gonna go to the trail without our dirt bike. Just gonna go walking. We're gonna see if we can remove all the sticks that get in our way when we drive our dirt bikes. But yeah, and let's see if we can cross a lake. There's like a little river or something, whatever it is. Like a little river that's through in the middle of our trail. And so let's see if we can cross over it and see if we can go to the other side of the trail. Because I'll show ya over there. But I have to be careful because there might be snakes or some type of animals over there. And yeah, I'm just waiting for him to come. He said he's gonna go get a knife. So yeah, he's just gonna go get a knife by the time I get up. We're going now to the trail with him. Yep. And we're gonna go all down this whole street. This whole street right here. All the way down there to our trail. And my brother's gonna wait for a package that's gonna be coming in. I don't know when it's gonna be coming. It doesn't say when it's coming. But yeah, we're just gonna go with him to the trail. Where's that? So there's no cars coming, so we can get on the road. But yeah, let's see. These are long boat. Look what my brother has. Look what kind of talkies he has. He has talkie zombies. Like, what kind of talkies are those? They're good. They have like cucumber and stuff on them. Yeah, they're really, really green. Look at that. We're barely even halfway over. We gotta walk all down there. And we literally just made it down. Alright guys, so we were trying to get in there. But there was some dude that stopped us on the side of the street that was like, y'all can't get in there. And don't even try and stuff. So we're not even gonna try to get in there. But now look at this. There's like some type of rock. But we're trying to get in, but we can't. So let's go, mamas. This is our trail. This is not really our trail. This is where we start off. We go all the way down there. But we're not going to go through there. We're going to go through up here. Mama's like, yeah, we're going to go down this slope where we go up from the dirt bikes to get out of that. To get out of there. And this is where we're supposed to go down, but yeah.
Alright, boys. I'm gonna speak English. Nada. Okay.
Okay, we got to go down there. It's steep as hell. Alright, I'm gonna throw my camera at him. Then, la ganas.
Oh. Damn. Aviéntate, parado. Aviéntate.
It fell on his chest. Alright guys, it's starting to rain. Little by little. Some mushrooms on so it's starting to rain, but hey, we're just gonna keep going down to this trail. Alright, so guys, there goes the trail all the way down there. And in the middle of that. Oh, okay. Look at that. Oh, Shimonos. Well, there goes the trail all the way down there, and then in the middle of that right there is the water. Alright guys, so we just found a soccer ball. And he's gonna throw it. Oh snap! He threw it where the water's at the little lake. Weird. The little river. Oh my lord! Look at it. It's not that big, but we just can't get up there. And there was a trail all the way down there, but I don't know where it leads to. Let's go. Alright, let me put the camera up, guys, because I'm gonna fall and slip. Alright, guys, so we just now crossed over it. Do that. Stay right there. Oh my lord. Yeah. So he thinks he knows where we're at, where the trail leads to, but I don't. And there's no way in the world we're gonna cross over with the dirt bikes here. There's 3 ways we could go. That way, and that way. But I'm gonna just pause the video for now to see where we can go. Alright guys, we were just in the trail. It's sure we crossed it, but there's a dead end back there, and we could not cross it. There was no way we could cross it. It was like that big. was like that. It was, I think, a little bit bigger back there. And there was hella spider webs everywhere too. Now we're going back, but we're not going all the way back. We're just gonna go through there. Where right there, there's like some houses. Let's see where the houses lead to. We don't know where, but we're like 25 minutes in. Now we're just gonna go through there. As y'all can see, the houses are up there. And now we're gonna have to go through there.
Mira, se te va a meter toda, güey.
Vamos. Alright, so now we're just going to...
Cuidado. No, que se volteó a lo pendejo. Agua.
Ay, güey.
Un cocodrilo, güey. No corran nada.
Oh, I barely made it up. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so we heard something that's out of me. We're like behind all these houses. I don't know where these houses are. I don't know if this is behind our houses.
Oh, ya sé cuál casa es esta.
This is todo hasta abajo, no? This todo hasta atrás que vimos. Alright, so now we're going to have to go through all of this. And look at the spider that's right there just doing some shit. But we're gonna run! Vamos! Look at that! Look where we're at. This house. Vamos. Let's see if we can get up through this steep ass hill. Oh, snap. Alright, oh my lord, this thing is steep. Oh lord! Vamos a ver. Oh snap. Wait, what the fuck was that? I don't even know where we're at. I know where we're at. I think everybody's still asleep. Okay. We're heading to the road. I know where we're at now. We're by where we ride our dirt bikes. This is where we do our slip and slide things. We just do our we just do our drifts and stuff here. There's a big old roundabout. And yes, now we know where we're at. But we gotta be quiet because they're sleeping. All the people are sleeping. I'm gonna dirt bikes into this. And everybody's asleep. I'm gonna go knock on that door. Go. Alright guys, we're almost back home. Just gotta make it up this hill too. Till we get home. We are just tired as hell. I got stuck on one part and I couldn't catch up to him. And I just kept running as fast as I can and I caught up to him. Alright guys, well, we're back home. We're in the basement. Now that y'all saw the videos, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Like if y'all liked and comment, and yeah, peace.